Hey guys, before we start, please like and subscribe, then press the notification bell button for more videos. You will be updated. When it comes to makeup and beauty, the mistakes you make can really affect your appearance. Remember that first impressions mean everything. Therefore, it is very important to make yourself look lovely, even fabulous, before you leave your house. There are several mistakes we end up making, even without having an idea that we are doing it all wrong. Like, having one brush that serves your entire makeup needs. Too much bronze, the wrong foundation, and blending makeup badly. Everyone is guilty of many of these, so, to save you from the embarrassment of walking around looking like a clown, below are 15 mistakes that you may be doing and how to correct them. 1. Applying makeup on dry skin. This is one of the commonest mistakes. Applying makeup on dry skin can affect your face, causing dryness and flakiness. You can avoid dryness and flakiness by exfoliating your skin once a week or find alternative ways, like moisturizing and cleansing, to get rid of the dead skin cells. When your face is already moist, then you can go ahead and apply your makeup. The results will be amazing. Never, ever, apply makeup on a dry face without moisturizing first. 2. Wrong foundation. This is the worst mistake. We tend to forget that foundation comes in a whole range of different shades. We all have been there where we choose the wrong foundation that is not suitable for our face. To ensure that you do not end up looking like a clown, make sure that you choose the right foundation. Go to a store where they sell beauty products and look for 2 different shades that are close to your skin tone, then swatch the foundation on the side of your jawline to see which foundation matches your skin. 3. Overdoing the bronzer. Going extreme with the bronzer is also one of the worst mistakes to make. Bronzer only adds warmth to your complexion. Too much bronzer makes you look muddy, or burnt, so you don't want to look like someone who has just came from a swim in mud. You only apply bronzer on places where the sun hits you, places like the forehead and nose. Do not forget to apply it to the neck too. 4. Dirty makeup brushes. We are all guilty of this neglect. Most women make this mistake while applying makeup, using dirty sponges and brushes. Dirty brushes and sponges lead to breakout. When applying makeup using the same brush, an uneven makeup application occurs. To ensure that your brushes and sponges are dirt and bacteria free, wash them with mild shampoo and warm water at least once every week. 5. Applying too much makeup. This phrase is cliché but very important: less is more. Why is this? It's because too much makeup can make you look very old. The only time you should apply too much makeup is if you have severe acne, so, rather than that, stay away from putting too much foundation on. Instead, use a single coat of concealer and foundation, in order to cover minor spots. 6. Buying makeup without testing. You are in rush to get home, so you stop by the store, grab your makeup, and leave. This is not a good idea. Remember how you try your clothes before buying. The same applies to makeup. You have to test your makeup because it is important. When makeup has contact with air, it changes color and texture due to oxidation. 7. Testing makeup in wrong areas. You are probably doing this right now, and this is also wrong. Normally we test foundation and lipstick on the back of our hands, but this will not give accurate results. To know if a foundation is the right shade for you, put it on your jawline. For lipstick, you can apply it on the lips or fingers. 8. Not using a primer. An important stage we ignore. This is the most important stage of makeup application because a primer ensures that the makeup slides on easily and helps the makeup to stay for longer without fading. 9. Sticking to one product. We all have that one makeup product that we love so much and cannot live without using. This habit is very dangerous because you probably miss trying different and new products. 10. Applying powder in the wrong places. Sometimes we powder the whole face and that is not necessary. The right way to use powder is to apply it on your face in parts that tend to be oily. Use a big powder brush in the powder and tap off the excess, then rub gently on your face. 11. Using the same product throughout the year. We often forget that, as seasons change, the skin changes too. So, what worked for you last season may not work this season. The foundation that worked well on you during summer may tend to be too dry for your skin in winter. It is advisable to change your makeup product according to the season. 12. Applying the wrong shade of blush. This mistake is widely made. When applying blush, you should go for the shade that matches your natural blush. If you are wearing a bold lip color, make sure that the blush is of a lighter shade. 13. Not applying eyeliner according to your eye shape. Avoid making this mistake. Remember that the placement of the eyeliner is as important as the color. You should take note of your eye shape. When you have close-set eyes, the thickest part of the liner should be on the outer corner of the eye, as this will make the eye look bigger. 14. Overfilling eyebrows. For perfect eyebrows, avoid overfilling. Because when you overfill, or use a shade that is too dark to fill the eyebrows, then they will look very heavy and intense. Perfect eyebrows give your face that amazing look. 15. Applying light concealer. There is this myth that when looking for a concealer you should pick a shade or two lighter than your skin tone. This is incorrect and a very big mistake. You should apply concealer that suits your skin tone. If you keep in mind all the 15 mistakes, you are likely to look perfect by avoiding all the mistakes. Don't forget to subscribe.